Right, so when opening up the multi-tool, you've got inside the box, you've got the unit with the engine attached to it itself, the handle assembly and the bolts, the lower shaft with the grass trimmer head on it, the brush cutter blade that comes with that. You've got the chainsaw upper shaft that's already got the chainsaw assembly on it with the bar and the sheath. You've got the extension tube that extends the unit to make it a long reach unit, the guard for the grass trimmer as well, and the brush cutter, and finally the hedge trimmer extension along with the harness and guard and the mixing box. Okay, so the first thing to do is to assemble the handle part onto the upper shaft. On the underneath of the engine upper shaft, there'll be two small holes. You can assemble this part of the handle. It's got a small nodule that sticks out into either one of these holes. So, like that. Use the 4 bolts that came with the that was already screwed in. And the next thing to do is to assemble the brush cutter guard or the grass trimmer guard onto the grass trimmer lower shaft pole. To do that, just take the guard, line it up so that the holes match up the guard, use the nuts there, the bolts that came with it, and just secure those with the larger of the 2 Allen keys from the accessory pack. Before mating the upper and the lower shafts together, remove the shaft knob from the pack, goes into the seat. Okay, so the next step after attaching the knob is to mate the upper and lower shafts together. So you'll see in the upper shaft you have a square keyway, and in the lower shaft you have a male square mating point. These two parts fit together, so it's important to try and get these lines up. One hand's best to push the ring down, it'll pull the pin, the locating pin out. Try and push the two shafts together like that. If you struggle, you can rotate the head just to slightly turn the cable inside, and then the part should mate up like that. Before obviously using it, make sure your hands tighten the knob as tight as you can.